Welcome to the ETD instructional video on how to make changes to your record once it has been submitted. Once you have submitted your record to the ETD repository, your school will review and approve prior to publication. If any changes need to be made to your record before it can be published, you will receive an email from your approver listing the changes that need to be made. Go to the ETD repository and log in the same way you did when you first submitted your record. Use your NetID and Emory password. Go to your dashboard and select Works. Under your Works, you will see the record you submitted to the repository. When you go to your record, you will see that you now have an Edit button. At the bottom of the page, you will also see the comments made by your approver. This will take you to a page where you can make changes to your record. You will notice that you are unable to change the school that you have selected when you submitted your record. You can make changes to your name, your graduation date, post-Emory email address, department, degree, and submission type. You can change your chair and committee members and add additional names. You can update your title, abstract, and table of contents, add additional keywords and research fields, change your answers to the copyright and patents questions. You will be able to swap out your primary file and add additional supplemental files. To change your primary file, first click Remove this file. Then you will be able to add a file from your computer. You can make changes to the embargo you have selected and then resubmit. But wait, you are not done yet. At the bottom of the page, return to the Review and Approval tab. Select Request Review. You can add comments to your approver at this time and click Submit. Then your record will be sent back to your school for approval. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact the Scholarly Communications Office.